So I just got off the phone with the clerk. You guys are going to hear that call. But I do want to point out the appeal's over. It's done. We secured what we need to win the appeals, 100%. And just pay attention and you'll see there is no process. So they've all been lying and misapplying rules for inside the courtroom to outside the courtroom, and they now admitted it. I got the clerk to give a hard yes or no on whether or not there is a process to record in the lobby. What if I want to go and film the federal, the James C. Cleveland building, which is another federal building, and the clerk, they have no business blocking us from being able to go do that either. And so we have a right to film in the lobby, just like the poster says, like I've been saying the whole time, acting like a goddamn lunatic. And this is 100% vindication, and we will win. Mark my words, we will win our appeals. So I hope you guys enjoy this phone call with the clerk, and I look forward to getting my court dates on these disorderly conducts, hopefully soon. Hey, what's up everybody? So I got people asking for an update, and I need to ask for an update. So we're gonna call the federal court clerk and ask for an update, see what's going on. I have not received
This is the United States District Court for the District of New Hampshire.
mail or anything yet.
New Hampshire Circuit, Probate, Family, or Superior Court, press 1 and your call will be redirected to the State Court Call Center. To speak with someone in the United States District Court Clerk's office, press 2 or remain on the line. Wait while I transfer your call. Good afternoon, Federal Court.
Hi, how's it going? This is Frank Staples. I'm calling to hopefully talk to the deputy clerk if she's available to follow up on this recording in the lobby and the process to get permission and everything.
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Thank you.
Frank,
Yes.
the motion is up with Judge McAuliffe, and it has not been ruled on yet.
Okay, so I'm just curious. So there is no process for me to like go there and get permission to film in the lobby, correct?
I mean, not really.
Well, I'd like a yes or a no definitive thing. Like there either is or there isn't.
I mean, essentially at this point, no. Would be the best answer I could give you.
Okay, I just want to get that on the record. I am also going to follow up with an email to the deputy clerk if you can give her a heads up.
Sure.
You know, I'm just going to ask for the clerk's office to consult with the marshals and court security, because both of them are telling me that it's up to the clerk to give me permission to record in the lobby. And what if I want to go over to the James C. Cleveland building? It's not even part of the court. And that has nothing to do with you guys. So that's the issue here. And, you know, we're going to resolve it. It is what it is. There's definitely, obviously, some confusion here with whether or not there is a process. And I understand what it is. It's because that courtroom rule, 83.8, it's courtroom inside the courtroom rule, and they are trying to apply it to outside the courtroom, where there is rules to govern the behavior on the federal property for outside the courtroom. And so there's a misapplication here. I think all the rules are perfectly fine. It's just how they're being applied.
Right, I understand.
Okay, so yeah, I can let her know. I'm gonna shoot that email off today, and I'll be waiting. And so all of them, so there's the one about the recording, and then what about I'm still, I'm nervous about this appeal and what's going on. I don't want to miss any deadlines on the appeal or anything.
So the appeal was appealed to a district judge, and that district judge is Judge McAuliffe. So it's still the same case number, but instead of being with a magistrate judge, it's with one of our district judges.
All right, and then so I'm just wondering, what do I have to file? When do I have to file it by? I'm looking for some sort of rules that I'm to follow or guide or something like that. Is there anything?
I mean, we don't necessarily have anything.
The schedule, what would a normal deadline be on, we gave the notice, and then what happens after that? I have no idea. I'm trying to find out.
I am not really entirely sure either. I'm not a case manager, so I don't really know a whole lot about deadlines, especially something, a CVB appeal as well.
Could I talk to a case manager?
Yeah, I mean, I can transfer you to Leanne. She is Judge McAuliffe's case manager. Hold on one second.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
You have reached Leanne Wagner, case manager for Judge Stephen McAuliffe. I am unavailable to take your call at the moment. Please leave your name, telephone number, and a brief message, and I will return your call as soon as I am available. If you need immediate assistance, press 0 for another deputy. Thank you. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, this is Frank Staples. I am calling about the appeal, my appeal. I have an appeal from a magistrate judge, and I'm trying to find out what the deadlines are and the process, and what I'm supposed to be doing here. I don't want to miss any deadlines, and I've talked to the clerk a couple times, and they have no guidance. They can't point me to any rules or anything that, there's no handbook or pamphlet or anything. So I'm just curious about the appeals process and how this is supposed to go down and what the deadlines may or may not be. I don't know if I'm waiting for the judge to issue something. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to follow up on. My name's Frank Staples, and my number is 603-722-5408. Again, that's 603-722-5408. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Yeah, heavy breather if you're watching. I got this heavy breather calling me, and they actually stopped. They stopped calling me because I figured out what their number was and then got all their other information. So I told them the next time they called, I was like, hey, I know who you are, I'm not going to dox them or anything. And the calls stopped after that. So that's that. I hope you guys were able to hear everything. There is no process. We got that on the record. A definitive no, that at this point there's no process. They're trying to figure out how to make a process, which isn't going to help them in the end. So basically, it's a slam dunk on the appeal at this point. And we're just trying to figure that out, as you heard, what the deadlines are and all of that. So we don't even need the transcript. This is a matter of facts and misapplication of law. So it should be pretty simple. And yeah, we're about 9 minutes here. So thank you guys. Just a quick little update. I had a light day at work today, so I got out early and I was able to do this, which was nice. And I hope you all have a good night, and I'll see you soon. I will definitely update you. I will say, actually, I just remembered, Jason Gerhard's trial is coming up. I'm trying to coordinate with him to do we'll do a live interview and talk about what's going on with that. Whether or not they follow through, we'll see. They would be wise to drop these charges. I still have not received any court dates for my 3 disorderly conducts. I haven't checked the mail today. I will check the mail. But yeah, I think I covered. I'm gonna do a standalone video on the YDC stuff. If anybody knows about that, has been really following the page or know anything about all of that, I will be giving an update. We have an event coming up on June 5th at the State House. That should be it should be a good one. So yeah, have a good night, everybody. Signing off. Thank you so much.